It's Vlogmas. Hey y'all, it's your girl Courtney Marie and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, welcome. I'm Courtney. Nice to meet you. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, let's just get into the video. So I have a Christmas party that I'm going to and I need my nails done. So I'm about to do some Gel X nails and I'm gonna show you guys how I do them. I'm gonna talk through it, let you know what I'm using, let you know where to get them from, and yeah, we're just gonna go from there. So I got my big old nail case and I'm gonna show you guys what all you need to do Gel X nails at home. Okay y'all, so I basically laid out everything that I need to do my nails. So the Gel X nails that I'm using is the A-Press Gel X nail extensions. They're the square short and you get 500 pieces in 10 different sizes. So I got this off Amazon and everything will be linked in my Amazon storefront. This LED light I got from Ulta. It is a very good LED light. I've been using it for quite a while. It's the Red Carpet Manicure Ultra Cure 30-second LED light. So you can do 30 seconds and you can also do 60 seconds. I got this from Ulta. It'll probably be cheaper on Amazon, but I got it for like $99 at Ulta. And then I also got the mini light. So when you do Gel X nails, you're going to need like a mini light or like a lamp light to cure your nails before actually setting your whole hand. I forgot how much that was, but I got that at Ulta as well. So you are going to need a nail filer. This one I got off Amazon. It came in a pack of 10. And you're going to need the 100, 180 nail grits. I just got some stuff to file my nails, to push my cuticles back. So this is just like a manicure set. It's electric nail file I got from Ulta. And this wasn't that much. I think it was maybe like $20, $30. And then it came with all of these pieces that you can put at the end. It came with a charger. So I use that as well. So the nail glue that I use is the Extend Gel. And this is from A-Press as well. I was looking on TikTok to see what was the best glue to use. And everybody was using this. So I got this glue to use. You're going to need a primer and you're going to need a dehydrator to prep your nails. And then I just have a base in a top coat. So the color that I'm using is red, same color as my toes. This buffer, you can get like a 50, 100 pieces of these from Amazon for a very cheap price. So I have like a bunch of these that I use. So this is the Red Carpet Purify and Erase. So this came in a pack with the top coat and the base coat. So I use these as well and I will show y'all how I use them. And then of course your acetone. Alright y'all, let's get started. Right now I'm just going to basically prep my nails. I am clipping and filing and basically buffing them to get them ready for application. And y'all, I am no nail tech. This is just how I do it and it works for me. So like I said, again, I am not a professional. I am going to push my cuticles back. I take my electric nail file and get real close to my cuticle. And now I'm going to take my buffer and I'm just going to buff my nails. So in order for your nails to last for 2 weeks and up, you want them to be dry. You want to get rid of any moisture. You want them to be really dry. So that's why we're going to use dehydrator, and that's why we are scratching them up, getting all that moisture off of them. And you also want to prep your real nails. You don't just want to apply your nails and not prep your real nails. Okay, so my nails are all filed, buffed, dry, ready for application. So the first step is nail dehydrator. So I got this off Amazon. This is the first thing that you want to apply to your nails. This is to dehydrate your nails, make them dry, get rid of any moisture that you have on them so that your nails can last for weeks and weeks at a time. So I also seen some girls, you know, if they don't have any dehydrator, they use alcohol. You can also use alcohol to get rid of any moisture on your nails as well. But you want to use something. So I'm using the extra strength primer that I also got off Amazon. You want to use this as well. And this is just to prime your nails, to get them ready for the glue that we're going to apply next. My nails are dehydrated and they're primed. Next, we're going to apply our gel. First, I'm going to size my nails, and then I will apply this and get ready to cure. But first, I'm going to size my nails and see, basically prep them and get them ready for application. So when sizing your nails, you want it to be wall to wall. You may even have to file the nail extensions to fit your nail, which is perfectly fine. But you want it to be wall to wall. You don't want any glue getting on your skin. So my nails are all sized. So we're going to take our electric nail file and we're going to sand the extension. So now I'm going to apply my gel nail glue directly onto my real nail, and I'm going to cure it for 60 seconds. It is important, if you are using a LED light, to have a glove, but I can't find mine, so it will be alright for today. But I'm just applying one layer of glue onto each nail, and I will cure it at the end. And the acetone is basically to clean up your mess, because you do not want to cure this gel if it's on your skin. You want to make sure that you have no gel, no glue, nothing on your skin before you cure it. So now that it's cured, I am going to bring my mini light in front of me, and I'm going to start applying my Gillette nails. So I'm going to take the thumb and I'm going to take the glue. Really, this part is a trial and error. A lot of people have different nail sizes, but I want to apply thin layer glue all on the nail extension, and then at the very bottom just apply a little bit. It will look like this. Applying it, you want to start at the bottom where your cuticle is. Bring that glue up. And once it's up, you want to make sure you have no air bubbles, and then you can cure. So you're going to cure for 30 seconds each nail, and then you're going to cure the whole hand. There you have it. So we're going to do another one. Apply a thin layer. And then at the very bottom, I'm just going to apply about that much. Like I said, it's a trial and error. You may apply too much. You just have to learn regarding your nail size, but it should look like so. Starting at the cuticle on up. Make sure there's no air bubbles, and let's cure.